Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Manta. Wanted to do a quick update on that. I've been enjoying these videos on Manta. It's also I've been following it quite extensively as well. I mean, Manta right now is really up and down all over the place. Right? Yesterday I actually said that I thought it was most likely that we would actually drop down to $2.1 because what you can see there, and that's probably still the case, is that there's a ton of liquidity to the downside. All right, so there's a big liquidity pocket, which I can almost not believe that all of this liquidity is not going to get grabbed. I can almost not believe it. I mean, look at how much there is. There's millions of dollars in liquidation levels in this entire area. I know that Manta, look, I like Manta, but it has some backers behind it, which are, sometimes known to grab that liquidity. So yeah, I think Manta is great. If we look at the fundamentals right now, what you'll see for Manta, let me quickly look that up right there. What you'll see is that the total value locked is still increasing. So Manta fundamentally is still very strong, like I said, and maybe I can quickly look that up because it really is valuable. But if you look at Manta and you look at the funding rounds, what you'll see is that they have parties behind them, like Alameda Research, but apart from that, also they just have great backing right here. They launched on TokenSoft, which is amazing, and I believe, but I think we have to see that on their website. I believe they have some. It's a Binance Launchpool project, of course, but I also believe that they have some backers in market makers, which we cannot see right here. Which is unfortunate, but that's just the way it is. Can I really not see it quickly? No, I don't think so. But it has some backers. I mean, that's bullish, but that also means that there's a possibility it will grab the liquidity. I'm rambling way too much. Fundamentally, like I said, Manta is bullish. If we technically talk about Manta, what I've always said to you is that the main level to break, in my eyes, is this level between 2.55 and 2.5. If that breaks, it's a big psychological level, but it's also a strong technical level. If that breaks, then I actually do want to go long. Then I'll probably take a long trade. If I would have to buy Manta on spot, I would probably buy between $2.1 and $2. All right, so that's my main buy area. There's liquidity at 2.2 as well, so it might just find support there, but that's, in my eyes, that's too high. And at this moment, Manta is kind of up and down. I mean, the open interest has increased. And if I would have to give you my thoughts, I would say that I think it's most likely that we'll break above 2.55 and 2.5 at some point of time, and that will start rallying. Now, up to where we'll start rallying, I'm not sure yet. Price target, 2.75, 2.8 at least. All right, that's filling the wick. We're not going to, well, maybe we can go all the way up to this wick right here, but that's something for the future. For now, it's waiting for this, because like I said, and I'll keep repeating this, but at this moment, due to the liquidity to the downside, I would be very surprised if we don't get a drop down to 2.25 and 2.2 first, before finding support again and rallying up to 2.55 and 2.5 and breaking above that. A drop down to 2.1 is a bit too far, I would say, but something like look, this is what I expect at some point of time in the next week. I think it's most likely we'll have a bit of a drop first, but then again, momentum is increasing quite a bit right now, so it's very likely this will happen at some point of time soon. So I'm waiting for that. Until that period of time, I think we're still in some sort of a consolidation, all right, between 2.5 and 2.2 or 2.1. So those are my thoughts. That's my view on the market right now on Manta. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. There you can also find more about my premium and signal group if you want to be notified on when I'm taking a trade on Manta, for example. But that's up to you to check out. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.